it's your turn. Move on.
Our First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, esteemed leaders of the Republic of Kenya, our school administration, parents, and my fellow students, good morning. We are the students from the afflicted but still strong Utumishi Girls Academy. We went through a very tragic incident, but we thank God because we are still strong and we know that we are going to achieve all that God has planned for us. We are going to be singing a song, Ni Salama Rohoni Mwangu, to encourage the bereaved family members and the rest of us. Welcome.
Nionapo amani kama shwari, ama nionapo shida, kwa mambo yote umenijuli, ni salama rohoni mwangu. Imba salama